Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I am going to show you two must-have accessories for your laptop. Both products have arrived from Lapcare. Products links are in the description, you can buy or check price. I will unbox, test and show you all features. Tell you if those products are really worth buying or not. So without wasting time, let's come to the first one. If you are a game lover or if you are looking for a comfortable and reliable mouse, then this Lapcare gaming mouse will be really interesting for you. Here is the box of the Lapcare L80 gaming mouse. It is a high DPI mouse. It has 6 programmable buttons, RGB light, customizable backlight color, This is the mouse. Wow, really nice design. You can see the build quality and look is really impressive. The USB male port has also a gaming look. Wire quality is very nice and looking durable. Inside the box here is a warranty card. This product has 1 year warranty and you can get a 1 month extra warranty by registering your product online. Now take a look at its beautiful RGB lights. You can customize this RGB light by pressing this button. You can also turn off the lights if you want. Build quality of this mouse is really good. It has a rubber grip on its body, so it is a very comfortable for holding. The scroll wheel has also a rubber grip. It has 3 extra buttons, total of 6 programmable buttons. It is very comfortable and smooth. It is a plug and play device. You can buy it. It is a really good quality product for this price range. Now time to show you the second product. It is very useful for summer. It is Lapcare Winner LCP-111 laptop stand and cooling pad. If you work with your laptop for a long time or you are a gamer or do some graphical work like video editing, photo editing, you may face some problems with high temperature. So let's quickly unboxing it. It is the warranty card. This product has also 1 year warranty. USB male to male cable. The wire quality looks good. I will show you how to connect it. This cooling pad has 2 big fans for exhaust and 2 small fans for air blowing to laptop. Each fan has different LED lights. It has iron mesh on the top. This unique shape gives it a gaming device look. Its build quality is really good and heavy. Using it, you can slightly lift your laptop. Here is some rubber grip. On the front side, it has 2 anti-slips guards, so it is usable for heavyweight laptops. It has 2 USB 2.0 ports, one for connecting to the laptop, another port you can use any other USB 2.0 device. Here is a fan speed controller with an on-off switch. To use it, you have to connect USB on the cooling pad and then your laptop USB port. The design and plastic quality of this product is pretty nice. It can be used for heavy laptops. It is usable for all size laptops. Fans are high speed and noiseless. You can choose this product to cool your laptop for this summer. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.